तो हेलो दोस्तों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम अगेन टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने जा रहे हैं रिमोट कंट्रोल के बारे में। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपसे एक छोटी सी गुजारिश ये है कि अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो हमारे चैनल की वीडियोस को लाइक, शेयर और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा और साथ लगे हुए बेल आइकन को भी दबा दीजिएगा। इससे ये होगा कि फ्यूचर में हम जो भी नई वीडियो को अपलोड करेंगे उसके वक्तन फ़वक्तन आपको नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहेंगे। तो चलें, इसी उम्मीद के साथ करते हैं इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट। रिमोट कंट्रोल इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, a remote control, also known as a remote or clicker, is an electronics device used to operate another device from a distance, usually wirelessly. In consumer electronics, a remote control can be used to operate devices such as television set, DVD player, or other home appliances. A remote control can allow operation of devices that are out of convenient reach of direct operation of controls. They function best when used from a short distance. This is primarily a convenience feature for the user. In some cases, remote controls allow a person to operate a device that they otherwise would not be able to reach, as when a garage door opener is triggered from outside. Early television remote controls 1956 to 1977 used ultrasonic tones. Present-day remote controls are commonly consumer infrared devices which send digital coded pulses of infrared radiations. They control functions such as power, volume, channels, playback, track change, heat fan speed, and various other features. Remote controls for these devices are usually small wireless handheld objects with an array of buttons. They are used to adjust various settings such as television channel, track number, and volume. The remote control code and thus the required remote control device is usually specific to a product line. However, there are universal remotes which emulate the remote control made for most major brand devices.